Welcome to the top best. The best ACH is probably one of the most sought-after products in its category, and for good reason, offering a blend of innovation, performance, and user-centric design that sets it apart from the competition, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to upgrade their experience and achieve their goals with a reliable and powerful tool that stands the test of time. Number 5. OneTigris Michigan 2000 Airsoft Helmet. Introducing the OneTigris Michigan 2000 Airsoft Helmet, designed for tactical performance and comfort. This helmet offers robust protection and versatile customization options for your airsoft needs. Equipped with accessory rail connectors, it allows for quick attachment of essential gear like flashlights, cameras, or visors. This enhances your operational capabilities in any scenario. Inside, you'll find 7 pieces of self-adjustable sponge padding for a comfortable and secure fit. The adjustable suspender straps and chin pad ensure it stays in place during intense activity. Loop panels are integrated around the helmet, providing ample space to attach patches and personalize your gear. Make it uniquely yours and stand out on the field. It's designed to fit head circumferences of approximately 56 to 61 centimeters, 22 to 24 inches. Despite its sturdy construction, it weighs only about 665 g, ensuring it won't weigh you down. Constructed from durable 3mm ABS plastic, this helmet is built to withstand the rigors of airsoft. It provides reliable protection while maintaining a lightweight feel. What we like. This helmet offers versatile accessory mounting options with its rail connectors. It also ensures a comfortable fit with adjustable padding and allows for personalization with loop panels. If you need a customizable helmet for various tactical accessories and a comfortable, personalized fit, this is the one for you. What people say. Can fit any sized head with no problem. Nice padding inside and lots of room for accessories. Very comfortable and fits well, has easy ways to tighten the helmet. It looks good too. This helmet has adjustable straps on both sides. That means 4 different adjustments. The best part of the helmet is the padding on the inside. I play in 80 to 90 heat and it doesn't get too hot. I can wear this thing for hours and my head never gets sore. If you want comfort and functionality, this is it. Still, this helmet has a rail on each side. Number 4. FMA TB269 Tactical Helmet Chin Strap. Introducing the FMA TB269, a premium retention system designed for your tactical helmet. It ensures a secure and comfortable fit for various helmet models. This chin strap is compatible with popular helmet series like FAST, ACH, and IBH. Enjoy a versatile solution for your headgear. Experience enhanced comfort with its padded leather chin cup and nape pad. It provides essential protection while you're on the move. Effortlessly adjust the tightness with the convenient one-hand buckle. Stay focused on your task without fumbling. Crafted from special nylon, it offers both exceptional durability and breathability. This ensures long-lasting wear and comfort in any condition. What we like. This retention system provides a secure and comfortable fit with its padded chin cup and nape pad. The adjustable buckle allows for easy, one-handed tightening. If you're looking for a durable and easily adjustable chin strap for your tactical helmet, this is an excellent choice for quick modifications in the field. What people say. Lots of room to adjust and really easy to loosen tighten the strap. It matches OCP pattern perfectly. It fits comfortably and is very durable. It's easy to adjust even when wearing it. Fits amazing on regular Army-issued ACH, all straps are easily adjustable, and is super comfortable to wear with and without nods. Number 3. ACH Halloween Party Suit. Get ready to stand out this Halloween with our unique party suit. It's the perfect way to embrace the spooky season with a touch of humor and style. This ensemble comes complete with a jacket, pants, and tie, offering a full, coordinated look. The eye-catching prints are sure to get a laugh and make a statement. Whether you're attending a Halloween bash or diving into cosplay, this outfit is designed for maximum impact. It's comfortable enough for a night of fun and distinctive enough to be memorable. Available for adults, this costume ensures a great fit for anyone looking to add some fun to their holiday wardrobe. Embrace the ugly and funny this year. Explore a variety of hilarious and ugly prints to find the one that best suits your personality. Each design offers a unique twist on festive attire. Don't just blend in, make a memorable impression with this standout costume. It's the ultimate choice for anyone who loves to have a good time and show off their playful side. What we like. This costume offers a fun and unique way to express yourself with its variety of ugly and funny prints. It comes as a complete 3-piece set, including a jacket, tie, and pants. If you're looking for a standout outfit for parties, Halloween, or cosplay events, this is perfect for making a memorable statement. What people say. Extremely well made, looks great and not cheap. Slim fit, looks great. Many compliments on this suit. Love the fit and color. Great value and fun, great for all Halloween events. Number 2. ACH and Michigan Helmet Replacement Suspension Pad Set. This is a 7-piece set designed to replace the suspension pads in your ACH or Michigan helmet. It ensures a comfortable and secure fit for your headwear. The set includes a circular crown pad, 2 trapezoidal pads, and 4 oblong or oval pads. This variety ensures a perfect fit for different helmet contours. Each pad is designed with foliage green on one side and black on the other. This offers versatility to match your helmet's exterior or your operational needs. Specifically sized for medium helmets, these 3/4 thick pads provide optimal cushioning. They are engineered for a snug and supportive feel. With NSN number 8470-01-546-9420, these pads meet specific military standards. You can trust in their quality and reliability for your helmet. What we like. This replacement pad set offers a dual-sided option in foliage green and black for versatility. It includes 7 pieces designed to provide a precise fit for medium-sized helmets. If your current helmet padding is worn out or you need to adjust the fit for enhanced comfort, this set is ideal for refreshing your headgear. What people say. Perfect fit, and this is way better than the original that comes with the ACH. Great replacement for your worn-out pads. Get rid of those sweaty, smelly old pads. Great replacement pads for the bump helmet I have, especially the big circle pad for the dome. Number 1. OneTigris Tactical Fast Helmet Cover ML. Introducing our tactical helmet cover, crafted from high-quality 500D Cordura nylon. It provides excellent water and dust resistance for reliable protection in any tactical situation. This cover is specifically designed for OpsCore Fast PJ and OneTigris PJ helmets in size ML. Its secure attachment system ensures it stays in place during intense gameplay. Enjoy a lightweight design that won't weigh you down. Installation and removal are simple, even with night vision goggles attached. Ample hook and loop panels allow you to proudly display your favorite patches. Personalize your gear and boost team morale with ease. Perfect for airsoft, paintball, tactical operations, and more. It's designed to enhance your experience in various demanding activities. You'll receive one helmet cover, along with a fun "One Mama Says I'm Special" patch as a gift. Please note that the helmet itself is not included. What we like. This helmet cover is constructed from durable, water-resistant Cordura nylon and features an integrated maul system for attachments. It also provides ample space for patches to personalize your gear. If you need to protect your helmet from the elements and add modularity or personal flair, this cover is a great option for airsoft and tactical enthusiasts. What people say. Color matches the pictures and functions as advertised, would recommend. Even gave me a couple patches as a bonus. Fit on a size L high-cut ACH. I removed all rails and pads to properly install and give it a nice, clean look. Seems to be a good, strong material. Perfect for hiding NVG wires for battery pack and to change the color of your ballistic helmet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.